Good morning, Clint with Push Personal Fitness. I'm going to do number 21 of our 25 Days of Christmas. It's going to be a side plank with a leg lift. I'm going to show you the more difficult version of it first, and I'll give you a little modification if it's hard for you to do it that way. So down to the floor. We're going to start left arm down. Obviously you're going to do this on both sides. The leg lift is going to be motion and movement, so we're going to do 25 of them. Or you can do a hold for 25 seconds, whichever you choose. Side plank requires elbow, hip, knee, ankle, all in one straight line, okay? So we'll go this way, elbow, hip, knee, ankle, one straight line. Start with your feet stacked. If you need to modify a little bit, you can put your foot forward. But from here, we're gonna go leg lifts with movement. If it's too difficult to do with movement, then we can